poetry. We were raised from the cradle, putting food on the table. Our blue-collar dollars keep the wolves off the front door. If our dreams don't pan out, we won't be looking for a handout. This is from the hand at the end of the long arm of the Lord. We're a little backwards for this wayward world. We march to the beat of some old school Merle. My whiskey